i-consulta ko sa mga abogado. I would leave it to the lawyers to hindi ako practicing lawyer. So I would not know the dynamics of what are the rules now. All that I can do is to provide them with lawyers. Tutulong talaga ako sa police pati military. Lalo na in the performance of their duty, itataya ko pati ang sarili kong reputasyon.
Any comment about the Congress? You've been a congressman, Mayor. Tapos ngayon, ang Congress mukha naging investigating body, mas masahol pa sa NBI at contempt ng kanilang mga resource person.
Ang